Well, I just finished my wall of wood for Aljoma Lumber. This is their conference room, and over the past couple of years I've done a lot of stuff for them. Made these little barn doors, nice and easy. And then I built this conference table. It's solid sapelli. We had to bring it in through a window with a crane because we're on the second floor and it weighs over 1,000 pounds. But I think that wall looks pretty good back there. It has a bunch of different wood on it. Some purple heart, wenge, Spanish cedar, sapelli, marupa, black walnut, Brazilian cherry, some pine. And then on the other side, I did their doors for them, and those doors are actually made out of Spanish cedar. And then that header is sapelli. And then back here, I did one more wall and just finished and cleaned everything out. It's been a long weekend. It's Sunday now, and I'm done, ready to smoke a cigar. There's another door, and then also did this little bar area for their lounge, and that's all sapelli too. It's nice wood. Well, I like it anyway, so that's it. It's all added up. A couple little round tables. So basically everything that's wood in here has been done by yours truly, True Wood Design. Thanks for watching.